Hi, and you're watching Mill Texas Productions today. And today I'm gonna be showing you on how to download Paint.net. Yeah. So firstly, open your internet browser and go to download.com. Search here on the search bar. Search Paint.net. Alright, so scroll down and you will see Paint.net 3.5.1, and there are some other downloads here. So click download now, and a pop-up will appear like this. Yeah, so download it. I'm not gonna be downloading it because I already have one, so yeah. And close the internet browser, and you should run a setup. Yeah. If you're using Vista, your setup should be found in download. Yeah, it should be here. Okay, so the Paint.net will be like this. I suggest you use Paint.net because Paint.net offers more tools than Paint. It's like 6 more tools. Yeah. So on the next tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you on how to get used with this Paint.net and use the backgrounds and all that. And the download links I will be putting it in the description. So thanks for watching.